What is going on, everybody? It is Fitz and Rolls the Truck back here with another video. Today we have to do a couple things to get this thing running. So number one, you have to change the alternator, take it out, trade it in, get another one. And we're also going to take that battery in, have it tested, and then take that other battery over there and trade it in for store credit. So the first thing I'm gonna have to do is take out the alternator, and I'll show you guys how to do that right now. So the first couple steps are jack it up, jack stands, take off the front right wheel. The last thing you want to do before messing with the alternator is unplug the battery. And then if your car has this or your truck has this, there's usually a cover right here. Peel that back or take it off. Here's the alternator. This is one plug that we have to take off. And then there's that one right there. This bottom bolt down here. And then one last bolt. I believe it's the tensioner right there. If you guys can see that. Right there. So what we're gonna do first is unplug everything and then take the bolts off. It should just come right out through here, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, so you take off this little rubber piece right here, and this is a 10mm bolt. The next part of this is this little clip right here, and there's just a little button on the left side. You push in towards the alternator and pull out. So next is this little bolt that goes through the bottom of the alternator bracket here. That is a 14mm, and you're gonna have to put some strength into it to get it off at first, but hours of this, the clutch fan might get in the way, but you just have to wiggle it out. It should be good. So we have this bottom bolt out. There was this little locking nut thing, I guess, on the back of the bolt. Back here, you didn't have to touch it. You would just unscrew it, and then this falls off the back. So the last bolt we need to take out is that one right there. You can access it from the top, and this one is gonna be a 12mm. One of the last wires you have to worry about is right here. It's just a little ground. But I did get the top bolt off, so I'm gonna take this off and see if we can wiggle the alternator out of here. All right, so the last bolt we're taking out is this one right here. It is a 12mm. After this, the alternator should just fall right out. So I had to reach from the top to pull this off of the mount, and this is actually really heavy. Let's see if I can get it out of here. Oh, I did it. Woo. There we go, we took it out. Let's head over to Advanced Auto, test those batteries, and get another one of these bad boys. All right, so it is the next day. We're just gonna put everything back in. We're gonna do the bottom bolt first, and then the top bolt and the tensioner, reconnect the wires, put in the new battery that I got, and we should be good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. So everything is back in, the battery and the alternator. I'm pretty sure, shout out to Kaz for helping today. I just tried to unlock it with my BMW keys right there. So let's see if it turns on. I'm hearing noise, which is good. Oh, like a kitten, purring like a kitten. It started. Probably just has to warm up or something. That's how you replace an alternator and a battery in a D21 hard body. If you guys have liked this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and let me know if you have any questions. Stay tuned for the build. So we will see you guys in the next one.